We have a terrific golf tournament coming up in just a couple of weeks that's going to benefit folks all over Beaufort County, and it's a chance really for Beaufort County to give back to itself. Jerry Halterman is joining us. He's with Family Promise. The tournament is coming up September 28th at Hilton Head National. Jerry, first of all, tell us a little about Family Promise, and I think that'll be the call to action for folks to get involved.
I will. Thanks a lot. But first, I want to take this opportunity on behalf of Family Promise to thank WHHI for giving us this opportunity to talk about our charity and to talk about the tournament. As far as the tournament itself, the people who would like to play it are pretty much anyone watching this show. What we know is that golfers in general are very generous. You know that on the PGA Tour, they've already generated over $1 billion in these types of charity events. We're not going for that much, maybe a little less, but that's the idea. The second thing is the nature of the charity itself. Family Promise of Beaufort County, a lot of people don't know about it, and I will be talking more about that in just a few minutes. The other reason they'd want to play is the quality of the golf course. We're talking Hilton Head National, one of the finest courses in or off the island. And fourth, the entry fee is just a modest $100, which is a lot less than most charity events at $150 or $300.
Yeah, that's for sure. Family Promise, tell us a little more about it. I've been involved a little bit with it through my church, but tell us what Family Promise is trying to accomplish.
I love talking about Family Promise. What people don't realize is that in Beaufort County at any given time, there's around 250 homeless children. The whole purpose of Family Promise is that there shouldn't be any at all. So what we do is we work with about 17 different churches and congregations to provide temporary housing and shelter, food and shelter, for like 1 week at a time at each church, and we rotate that around. So we give them that homeless protection. But what I really like about the charity is that we're not just trying to do this piecemeal. The goal is to give these people training, job training, financial training, so they can put themselves in a position of permanent independence in the long run.
Give them some kind of a base to work from for a week at a time, and while they get out and either look for a job or train for a job.
Yeah, we usually set them up with a job before they leave.
Okay.
And we try to get them housing before they leave, and that's how it starts.
Well, Jerry, let's talk about the logistics of the event. You know, the date, the time, what's going to happen that day, food, all the stuff that, you know, a player wants to know.
The tournament is on September 28th, which of course is coming up very soon. It will be at Hilton Head National. The format, there's two different formats. One is a scramble, which is the common format, but what I like to do is also offer individual scoring for those who want to do that. So there'll be individual gross, individual net, and some wonderful prizes in those areas. The fee, as I say, is $100, and that will be covering greens fees, cards, range ball, lunch, and some wonderful prizes.
And the way to get involved, what's the best way to find out?
Contact me. I think my information is at the bottom, but it's Jerry Halterman, 484-437-7152. But I want to emphasize once again that this is a really unique opportunity to provide, help out a lot of wonderful people in the charity, all at the same time while playing golf at a great course. Thanks very much again.
Jerry, thank you so much for joining us. It's great to get the word out about the Family Promise Golf Tournament coming up on the 28th.